Customizing records in MemberConnection. Records in MemberConnection can be customized in a variety of ways to personalize your MemberConnection database to your specific needs. Let's start by opening an individual record. To customize this record, we'll select Edit Layout from the Activities panel on the right. This is showing us a variety of information about the current record. The fields displayed on the left are all of the available fields that are not currently displayed in the record. Below that is a list of the available tabs in the record. Tabs with check marks are currently displayed at the top of the screen. Tabs without check marks are not being displayed. Finally, there's a list of the available Activities buttons, which are displayed in the right Activities panel of the screen. Activities that are checked are currently displayed on the right side of the screen. Let's customize some of the tabs in Activities panels. Let's simplify this record by removing a variety of the activities from the Activity panel. I'll also reduce the number of tabs that are displayed on the top of the screen. Once I save this record, you'll see the changes reflected in the individual record. Now there are fewer tabs at the top of the screen, as well as fewer Activities buttons on the right panel of the screen. Let's edit some of the fields that are actually displaying in the member record. We can start by dragging a field into the record that is currently not being displayed. Let's drag Contact Type into the top of the Contact Info section of this record. And let's remove Home Phone. Once we save these changes, the changes will be reflected in the record. Now you can see that Contact Type is available under the Contact Info section, but Home Phone is no longer displaying. Let's continue to make some more changes. We also have the ability to relabel fields in MemberConnection. For instance, I might want to relabel this field titled Job as Position. By selecting the gear image on the right side of the field, I can relabel the field. I can also decide whether or not this field should be required to save a notebook. I now see that the field that used to be titled Job is now labeled Position. We can also make a variety of changes to the sections themselves. For instance, maybe I want to relabel the section that's titled Individual Info, Personal Info. And I might want to have this section initially collapsed. If I wanted this section to not display altogether, I could check the hidden box. Now the section that used to be titled Individual Info has been relabeled Personal Info and is initially collapsed. I can open it by clicking on this arrow. Finally, we can rearrange the sections that are included in the notebook. Let's display the HTML profile section on the very top of the right column of this record. We now see the HTML profile section is at the top of the record. Organizational records can be personalized and customized in much the same way.